What if the biggest challenge to religious authority today isn't another religion, a government, or a political movement? What if it's simply the internet? For centuries, religious knowledge was controlled by scholars, teachers, and institutions. But today, with just a smartphone and Wi-Fi, anyone can access thousands of interpretations, debates, and critiques about religion, including Islam. So some people say the internet has become the ultimate challenge to traditional Islamic authority. But is that really true? Let's explore. For most of history, religious knowledge was not easily accessible. If someone wanted to understand Islam, they usually had to learn from local scholars, attend a madrasa, or study under teachers who had spent years mastering theology, Arabic, and Islamic law. This meant religious authority was centralized. Scholars interpreted the Quran and Hadith, and communities relied on them for guidance. But then came the internet. Suddenly, millions of books, lectures, debates, and interpretations became available instantly. And that changed everything. Today, a curious teenager can watch lectures from scholars in Egypt, Saudi Arabia, Indonesia, or the United States, all within minutes. They can compare different interpretations of Islamic law. They can listen to debates between religious scholars and critics. And they can even read historical documents that were once only available in universities. This has created a massive shift. Religious authority is no longer limited to local leaders. The internet has made knowledge decentralized. The internet also opened the door to something that rarely existed before: mass public debate. On social media, forums, and video platforms, people openly discuss theology, history, and philosophy. Some defend Islam passionately, others critique it, and many simply ask questions. This environment creates tension for traditional religious institutions, because authority is no longer unquestioned. Anyone with an argument and a camera can enter the conversation. But the internet is not only a challenge, it is also an opportunity. Many Islamic scholars today use YouTube, podcasts, and online courses to teach millions of people worldwide. In fact, some of the largest religious audiences in history are now online. Young Muslims can learn Arabic, Quranic studies, and Islamic history from scholars across the globe without leaving their homes. So the internet doesn't just challenge Islam, it also helps spread it. What we're seeing today is a transformation happening across many religions. The internet is reshaping how faith, authority, and knowledge work. Questions are asked more openly, ideas travel faster, and individuals explore religion in ways that were impossible just a few decades ago. In this new world, religions, including Islam, are adapting to a digital age. So is the internet the ultimate enemy of Islam? Not really. It's more accurate to say the internet is a powerful force that is reshaping how people understand and practice religion. It challenges authority, it spreads ideas, and it opens conversations that once stayed hidden. Whether that leads to conflict, reform, or renewal is something the world is still discovering.